Begin by lining up a side support beam, part D, with the middle support beam, part C. Make sure your recessed holes in your side support face upwards. Use nut and bolt system part 1 to secure the side support to the middle support. Hand tighten your nut and bolt system. Repeat this process with the other side support beam. Tighten both the nut and bolt system with a socket wrench. Line up a leg so that the notched end is facing up and out. Use part 1 to secure the leg to the side support. Use a socket wrench to tighten the nut and bolt system. Use part 1 to secure another leg to the other end of the side support. Make sure the notched end of the leg faces outward. Secure the nut and bolt system with a socket wrench. Repeat this process with the third and fourth legs. Now turn the table right side up. Place your tabletop on top of the legs. The pre-drilled holes should now all line up. Lay the table on its side. Use nut and bolt system part 2 to secure the tabletop to the leg. Add part 2 to the other corner. It may be necessary to use a hammer or mallet to gently tap the bolt into the hole. Hand tighten the nut onto the bolt. Repeat on the other bolt. Now repeat this process on the other side of the table. Finish by tightening all nuts and bolts with the socket wrench. Congratulations on your assembly!